Hi, Bruce from Safiery. We're in front of this Volkswagen Crafter here. It's going to step in, but let's just have a look at this installation here first. So we've got 800 amp hours of lithium here. That's a 12 volt equivalent. This is all 48. Everything's built into the wall there. It's all bolted onto the wall, so nothing's going to come loose. Then a cover goes on. This is an 8 litre 48 volt hot water system. It'll dial up to 70C here, and the big advantage of that is it can be running while they're cooking, whereas the instant electric one can't. It will take up to 5,000 watts off that inverter, and if it's running, there's no power left for the cooking. So while you're cooking and you want to have some hot water for washing up, then this one here will do it very nicely. And it's a tank one, so when you arrive after you've been driving or at any stage, you've got hot water in that tank 24/7. This one here is going to be used for the shower. It's 1,000 watts. It'll heat from 20 to 70 degrees C in 21 minutes. And because of the high temperature on it, when you break it down with cold water, I think you'll get comfortably out of it 14 litres. I've got to say, how good's that?